name is Ivory Coates, and today I'm going to show you how to make a Grand Patron Margarita. Grand Patron Margaritas are a stronger version of the normal margarita, and they're also very fun to make. For this cocktail, you'll need a margarita glass, Grand Marnier, lime juice, Patron tequila, sweet and sour, and limes. We're going to start by salting our glass. We'll rim it with the lime, add it into our salt, and then we're going to use our other lime wedge as a garnish. Then we're going to mix our sweet and sour, our lime juice, and a couple of shots of Patron. Lastly, a shot of Grand Marnier. Once we have these items in our shaker, we're going to mix it up and add it to our margarita glass. And that's how you make a Grand Patron Margarita.